Look at
Can we
that.
go somewhere else?
Where? Just go around the path. Go around the circle. And then we'll go on the other side after, okay? Okay? Yes, after. You go one more time. Go one more time around the circle. Go one more time around the circle and then we're gonna go after, okay? Good job. You have to look where you're going. Hello. Smile.
I want to get my squirrel.
Where? You see any squirrel? Where?
I want to get my squirrel. My squirrel, my dog.
Come here. Don't leave your bike there. Don't scare the squirrel. Come here. Theo, come on. Come.
Now can we go?
Hmm?
Can we go now? Let's go now.
Okay.